Did you know that our planet Earth, the only known celestial body to harbor life, was born from stardust and cosmic debris around 4.5 billion years ago? Quite an intriguing beginning, isn't it? In the grand cosmic ballet, tiny particles began to gravitate towards each other, forming larger and larger clumps. Over time, these clumps merged into planetesimals and eventually into protoplanets. Amidst this cosmic dance, the entity that was to become the Earth was taking shape, forming from the remnants of a supernova explosion. Fast forward a few 100 million years, and the Earth had cooled down enough for the water vapor in its atmosphere to condense and form oceans. These oceans became the cradle of life, with the first primitive organisms making their appearance around 3.5 billion years ago. From these humble beginnings, life on Earth has evolved into a stunning array of diversity. From the microscopic bacteria to the towering sequoias, from the swift hummingbirds to the lumbering elephants, the Earth is a veritable kaleidoscope of life forms. Now let's juxtapose this with the Earth of today. The blue and green planet that we call home is now a bustling hub of activity. The evolution of life has reached a point where one species, Homo sapiens, has come to dominate the planet. The Earth's surface has been modified to an unprecedented extent, with sprawling cities, vast agricultural lands, and intricate transportation networks. The Earth's atmosphere, too, has seen significant changes. The composition of the atmosphere has been altered by the activities of humans, leading to a rise in global temperatures, a phenomenon commonly referred to as global warming. Yet, amidst all these changes, the Earth continues to spin on its axis, orbiting the Sun in the vast cosmic wilderness. This journey from a cloud of cosmic dust to a thriving, living planet is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. It's a journey that is both awe-inspiring and humbling, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of things. So, delve deeper into the mysteries of Earth's past and present. Explore the intricate processes that have shaped the Earth and the life it harbors. Understand the forces that have driven the Earth's evolution from its fiery birth to its present state. And remember, the Earth's story is not just about the past, it's also about the future. What will the Earth look like 100, 1,000, 1,000,000 years from now? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the Earth, our home, will continue to evolve, shaped by the forces of nature and the actions of its inhabitants. So embrace the wonder that is our planet Earth, explore, learn, understand, and most importantly, cherish the planet that we call home.